Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Keith at KG's Garage. Thanks for coming back. Right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a short little video of installing a Sharkfin on this G8 right here. I bought this little cheapy Sharkfin. I don't like how the antenna is always sticking out. This thing is real cheap, let me tell you that. It was carbon fiber, fake carbon fiber. It looked ugly, so I painted it black. It's not the same black as the car, but I don't think you'll tell up there. First step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some alcohol and clean this area around here. And so this goes like this. Clean that area with alcohol so the sticker, double-sided tape sticker, will adhere to the paint okay. And then I'll hit this with some alcohol too, make sure there's nothing on there, and then I'll stick on there. Actually, I'm going to stick it on here first, then on there. But when I wipe that down around there, put the sticker on here like that, put the antenna back in. I have this little bolt here. What you do is you take this, I had to make this hole bigger actually, the antenna, put it here, and then just screw that right in. So all you're doing is you're covering up that existing, antenna spot. So let me go do that, and I'll show you what it looks like when I get it on. Rubbing alcohol, clean all this. It's nasty, dirty too. And since I'm not tall enough, I have to go on the other side. Look at that dirt that came off. I just washed the car yesterday. And I'm putting the car cover back on it because it's starting to get sun damage. The paint on this thing isn't the best, but I don't want to get totally ruined. All right, so I wipe that, and I want to put the sticker and do that. Okay, there we go. It's done. I think it might be a little bit too big, but I'll see how I like it. What's on there? It's just 3M tape. I just press it down. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. So there you have it. Okay, well, that was just a quick little video. How to put one of those shark antennas on. I didn't find anything when I was looking online. I thought that whole piece had to come off, and it took me a little while to figure out that no, you just put this one right on top of it. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And if you have any questions, comments, anything, go ahead and put it in the comments below, and I will respond. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye.